These are the elevators at the Rivergate Tower in Tampa, Florida. Good, how are you? Security guard in the lobby. We're gonna go to 31. Interesting how it says 16 to 31 on the outside, but this bank also serves 15. We are at 31. We got a desk right there, so we're not going to get out. But let's go back down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. These were either Schindler Haughton or Westinghouse, and we're stopping. 25. We're gonna write another one. We've got this one, so we started on elevator 10, or we're on elevator 10 now. We started on elevator 7. I am filming this at almost 4 o'clock, so it makes sense as to why they're busier going down. Everyone's leaving the building. We're at 31. Let's go down to 1, just because I'm curious. Yep, that still works up there. I want to say, kind of hard to see it, I want to say that's a Westinghouse interlock, but don't know for sure. We didn't get a cab view on the last one, but that's okay because they all look the same. And we're stopping again at 23, I believe. Let's just get a quick look at this. Normally, I would just stick to the high-rise elevators, but this time, let's ride a low-rise one. I guess the reason being is we did film the low-rise ones before in a full elevator tour. Filmed in 2019, published in 2020. Let's go up to 16.
Floor 16.
We're at 16. And you can see the high-rise elevators are over there too. And I guess these are the original rails from before the mod. Let's go back to 1. Here's your certificate. Cab view, the same as all the rest.
Floor 1.
Also, that's an interesting gap right there. I think that was there before the mod, but don't know for sure. So there are also underground parking elevators here, but those are going to be a separate video. That'll be it.